Now we can proceed to the exterior decoration of the house. To do this, we will create the base finish, the eave, and also model the necessary columns. Let's start with the columns, which can be modeled quickly enough using a box command. Turn on the raster layer and select the columns layer as the current layer. Rotate the model so that we can see the main entrance and activate the box tool. Start building next to the window at the top of the stairs. The length is 550 and a width is 450. We use the minus sign for correct construction. The height is 6,300. If we look at the second floor plan, we can see that the length of the column is different. Therefore, extend the face of the column towards the window on the second floor by 500 mm using the PRESSPULL command. Move the copy of the elements to the right by a distance of 4,850 mm. Transfer the created objects to the appropriate layer. Model the next column near the door with a corner window. The length of the parallelepiped is 550, the width is 450, and the height is 3,300. Then there are columns on the top step between the doors with dimensions 550 by 450, height 3,000. Next to the corner window, there is a column with a length of 550, a width of 450, and a height of 6,300. Let's model two main columns on the veranda. The first column on the upper stage has dimensions of 500 by 2,000 and a height of 3,000. Move the copy of the column up to a distance of 3,300. Move the copy of the bottom column to the left by a distance of 4,150. Hide the slabs layer and use the PRESSPULL command to increase the height by 3,300. Use the PRESSPULL command to reduce the width by 1,500 and increase the length on one side by 300 and on the other side by 150. Extend the bottom edge of the column by 100. Next, let's start modeling the eave. Hide all layers except the floor structures and stairs using Quick Selection command. Select the auxiliary lines layer as the current layer. Activate the polyline tool and draw a contour along the upper edge of the second floor ceiling. Use the offset tool to create a second contour at a distance of 250 mm. Before connecting the contours, draw two additional segments using the line tool. Next, select the four parts of the contour and activate the Join command. Select a closed contour and press-pull it down by 500 mm, and then raise the upper edge by 100 mm. Transfer the resulting solid object to the eave layer. Leave only the elements of the first floor. Activate the polyline tool and draw a contour along the upper edge of the ground floor ceiling, skipping the stairs and the garage door. For each polyline you create, add a second contour at a distance of 25 mm. First select the desired polyline, then activate the offset command. Set the distance and offset angle. To make the contours closed, draw the missing segments. Use the join command to create closed contours. Extrude all contours downwards at a distance of 300. Please note that the places where the base finish meets the stairs need to be improved. Use the PRESSPULL command to work out the junction points. For the convenience of modeling, hide the slabs layer. If necessary, perform additional builds. Transfer all the built solid objects to the base finish layer, complete the isolation, and go to the next lesson.